Hello YouTube. Welcome to Green Tech Channel. Before starting the video, please hit subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon to notify every update of the channel. Let's begin. The most fun games can get boring afterward. So that's why I am looking for the fresh games in Play Store. And well, I have discovered some cool games that you will be loving it. And it is very light that your phone, that it doesn't take a huge space. Noise are one of the new game that you like instantly. The cute graphics and amazing gameplay make this platform addicted. The game requires sticky slide on cloud and jump from one cloud to another to catch all the white balls. Next one is Racy Rocket, which is a new game. It requires you to control a high-speed rocket, and guide it to the exit point. You need to control the rocket towards the blue bar, and purple bar to bounce. The objective to this game is make sure the rocket reaches to finish points as soon as possible. Here sounds simple, but the rocket is very fast. But also it's really fun. Disc Golf. As the name suggests, is a mini golf game that is a lot of fun. Frankly, I have no idea of golf, but also it's really awesome to play. But Disc Golf is one game that you love, even you have no idea of golf. It has a simple feature that, it has an island-like structure, and you have to drag and shot the ball, and get the ball in the hole. You will not feel bored since it has an infinite level of gameplay. However, it's cool to play. Yam Gun is a cool shoot and kill game, where you have to protect wall against an visual. It is the wall of Game of Thrones, where the Night Watch Commander and invaders are the Night King army. There are great army, and shooters where you have to shoot a lot of army. Well, it's amazing to shoot the army, and there are great guns, and bullet, as you progress. So what are you waiting for? Have fun with this game. Well, it's amazing. Shadow Skate is another cool casual game that have really nice visual of sky, cloud, and modern cities. The game is short and impressive that you will like the gameplay. The controls are simple, a button to jump, a button to run and a button to speed up the skating speed. On the way you will find coin, diamond, many more gems, and many obstacles that you will have to face. There are tons of levels, so you will not feel bored. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you find any missing in this video, please comment and share it to your friend and relative, and don't forget to like our Facebook page, the link is in the description below. And also visit our website. Thank you, and see you soon.